Hello everybody, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna and I just got block 5 for the Pieceful Baskets quilt, and I just wanted to remind you that I'm using Nantucket Summer fabrics. This fabric, however, right here is from the Shoreline. They're both by Camilla Ross Kelly. So let's get over to the sewing machine and get this made. Okay, we have our pieces R, M, and O. And we are going to do 2 half square triangles each. I've already got my pieces marked that need to be marked. I took a 1/2 inch ruler, I went from corner to corner, and I drew a line on each side. You can also just draw a line from corner to corner and sew a 1/4 inch on each side. But I like to sew on the lines. Okay, I'm going to cut in between. Then I am going to press it open. And then I'm going to trim them to the right size. And then I will be right back. Okay, I've got those pressed and trimmed. This one, I did not put right sides together, so I had to take it apart, put it back together. We only need one of those, so this one is extra. And I'll set that aside. Okay, now we're going to take these two, and it's going to be a mirror image, so you want to make sure you have things in the right orientation. And we are... Actually, we want them like this when they finished, so we want to flip them up this way and sew halfway down here. Okay, and we have our combination units. Oh, wait. I have to trim that off. Okay, apparently I missed. I was supposed to make another one of these ones, like this. So let me just get it sewn and trimmed and pressed. Okay, this is how our block is going to go together. You've got the darks on your the corners kissing, and then you've got the darks going next to these squares. The greens all go in a triangle like that. You've got your H and your G piece, and we are just going to sew them in rows and then put the rows together into a block. These two right here, these corners nest. Okay, now I'm going to add strips K and then J. And I think I forgot to press record putting the rows together, but it's just the same as we've always done. Okay, now we're going to take B and I, and we are going to make 2 half square triangles. Okay, so we need to add these to L, and they are like mirror images. And I believe I have that correct. Okay, we have those made, and all the strips, the fabric gets pressed towards the blue. Goes on one that goes this way, which means the C goes on that one, and we'll see if I've got them right. Whoops. Right side up. And you want the blue and the half square triangle to match the strip. And this one matches, so. Okay, now we'll take our remaining K and J strips and add E right sides together to the ends. All right, now we're going to take the strips that we added the E to, and we're going to add I think it's K and then J. But the white goes where the half square triangle is. So we'll add this one and then this one. Okay, now we're going to take A and F, and you want right sides together. And remember, I marked F. You need to go from corner to corner, and it's going to be a folded corner. This second line I added because this part gets trimmed off, so that will give me a scrap 1.5 inch, half square triangle. Okay, it could be better, but it's pretty close, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, now I will press this down, and then I will cut from this corner to this corner for the 2 triangles for the basket stand. Okay, there's my scrap half square triangle. So now we're going to take our basket, and we are going to treat it like a square in the square. I'm going to put on this piece with the blue down where the big basket is. And I'm going to sew that along there. And then on the opposite end, right sides together, I'm going to put that piece. Then we will press them open, and then I will put the white piece here and the other piece with the blue right here. So let's get that sewn. Okay, there we have it, block 5 of the Pieceful Baskets quilt. And I'd like to thank you for joining me and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey for block number 6.